Okay, just go over how this thing, the reservoir, mounts. So the reservoir's got this sweet aluminum thing. This is Bilstein on it. So you crank that bitch on there. It's not too tight yet, but it'll rotate it a little bit. And then this thing goes in the back of the frame over here. So, oh, here, let me turn the light on here. There we go. That hole right there is where that billet aluminum piece here, so that piece there sinks into that hole. And this plate goes on the back side, and you put these screws through into this. Through that hole. So I've cleaned the front and the back of the hole, and I'm going to get started on this, and then I'll take some pictures when I'm all done. On focus, a piece of crap. So these orange things actually fit on there. See what they actually do a job or not. I don't know if they're supposed to be on there or not, but fucking whatever. I give a shit. Yeah.